Hey guys, welcome to the second part of the Arnold biceps and Mudbox tutorial. And this is the outcome from the last session. One thing I would like to share that this biceps file is different from the last one. Somehow I lost the previous file and then I had to recreate another biceps in Mudbox. I tried to keep it as close as it was in earlier version. So let's start from this point where we had left in the last session. So this time I will tell you how to apply some textures on this biceps and how to generate diffuse, displacement and normal maps. So for this we will use paint tools here. When we were doing sculpting, we used sculpt tools, and now we will use paint tools and paint layers here. So let's start, and first of all let me tell you about a Paintbrush tool. Select it and you have the base color as white, brush size and everything just like before. Let's pick green, and once you click on the mesh it will ask what would be the name of the layer. I write the name as skin and choose the size as 1024. You can save it in several other formats if you wish to, and this is channel, which lets you define for which purpose you want. Since this is for the skin, so I choose diffuse. And now you can start painting with the color you have chosen. This is a very simple method of painting. You can choose some other color also, let's say yellow, and again start doing painting. The process is very easy to use, isn't it? You can lower the strength down, and then the color would not that much impactful. This is just like a painting in Photoshop. Now if you want to remove the paints, then you can choose the paint erase option here, and you can erase the paint as easily as you did painting. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now move ahead and let's pick the white color for paintbrush once again and start painting the whole biceps with the white paint. I'm doing so because I want to give the base color once as white, and then I would start texturing. So now let me tell you how to use already made textures for skin and all. For this we will use a projection paint tool, which projects the textures on the mesh, and it works with stencils, and this is a stencil. You have lots of textures available here already, but for this project I will use my own texture. So click on this off button and it will open stencil properties. Now I click on import, and I have a skin texture file already. I select that. It is already written here. If I press and drag the middle button of mouse, I can move it. I can rotate it by pressing S with dragging left button of mouse, and I can zoom in and out while pressing S and dragging right button of mouse. It's so simple. So being in the projection mode, just click and start painting, and you will see that the skin texture is being applied onto the mesh. Either you move or rotate your mesh, or you can move, rotate or scale your texture. It depends upon you what method you choose. For me, I rather enjoy moving my mesh than the texture. So keep painting and keep your eye on it. so that you would not miss a single corner. So keep painting. It's a very easy process here, just like Photoshop. Just be careful while painting so that you won't miss any part of the mesh. Once you are done, you can make it off. So this is your texture applied on this. Now what if I want to apply one more texture on this mesh? For that, for that I will make another layer by clicking right mouse button, and I will rename the layer as tattoo, and okay, this is the new tattoo layer. While selecting this, import this tattoo texture, which is an alpha image. It comes in the viewport, and while pressing S and different mouse buttons, let's fix it on the back triceps part of the mesh, like this. Place it here. Once you are done, press your mouse button and start painting. The tattoo will be imprinted on the mesh. Now press S and move the texture to the hand part. Just like before, place it here and adjust it a little bit. Once you are done, press your mouse button and start painting. Great. Off. So now you have two things. One is tattoo and the other is skin layer. You can toggle on and off between the visibility of the layers, or while selecting the tattoo layer, you can decrease the opacity of the tattoo layer also. This is a great feature here. Now it's done. We have made all the essential layers and textures. But since the textures are in different layers, we need to merge them all to make one single layered texture. So select the tattoo layer and right click and select merge visible. Once you do this, it will merge all the layers in one layer, and then right click, export selected, and save it as skin diffuse in PNG format. Now for the displacement map, go to map, extract texture maps, new operation, and here you can choose ambient occlusion map, displacement map, and normal map. For now I select displacement map and it will show how it works. Go down. These are several settings here, like search distance, image size, anti-aliasing. You can choose 8x for best result. Here you can save the file as skin displacement. Save and then click on extract, and in just a couple of seconds it will extract the displacement map without any error. Okay, just like this you can make normal map also if you like to. So guys, today you knew how to do the texturing in Mudbox and how to extract diffuse, displacement, and normal maps. And in the next and the last part, I will let you know how to bring all these things back in 3ds Max. So guys, see you in the next part.